Hey, what's up guys? It's Trendzee. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the top 5 YouTubers that broke their play buttons. Obviously for YouTubers, getting a plaque is just a huge accomplishment. And yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video because I will be explaining about the giveaway. So yeah guys, I'm going to go ahead and play the top 5 clips and then I'll be back to you guys to talk to you more at the end of the video.
Safety is the #1 priority, okay? Yeah. We gotta open it slowly so we can make sure that we don't damage anything, okay? Yeah, because this is very important, Yeah. So, okay, let. Got a cut in it, but the grip, the vise, oh no, the vise is coming off. Okay, reclamped it. I hope this works better now, because I really don't want to damage this thing more than just a line down the middle, but that's a risk you take when you're the What's Inside YouTube channel.
Silver play button. Yeah.
Don't hurt my diamond play button.
Oh, hi, Chica.
Oh, hi, Chica. Chica's here, too. Because Chica doesn't get out of the house enough. Chica, you should have seen Chica when she first got in here. She was just like, oh my God, everything's so amazing. It's hot here. Where's the air conditioning? God damn it. We had to install air conditioning in this place because it was not ready for air conditioning. We basically had to do a lot of shit to make this place work. But it's perfect. It's beautiful. We repainted everything. We laid carpet down because it was concrete floor. It's gorgeous. I love this place. It's perfect. But anyway, we're going to be doing monthly live streams. Oh no, that's what happened. Knocked the diamond loose. Oh God, YouTube, I need another one.
It's nothing that important. Nothing that important. I don't understand. It's just how I did this. Yeah, I filmed it. Who cares? Who cares? It's a 100,000 award. Look, you're already at 500K. Who cares? Do you even realize how big that fucking number is? I do. Basic shit. Do shit. Who's setting up this whole? You always ruin it. You always ruin it. This was supposed to be a celebration, not a fucking bullshit fight. It always turns in this way, no matter what. Gee! My fucking award. It's not his. It's nobody's. Give it to me. Give it to me. We need to film this video. No. I have a lot of people counting on me. I don't care. This is all YouTube do is fight over bullshit. Give me that shit off of it. What are you gonna do? You're gonna destroy this? Just like you destroy everything. Great idea. I might. But I'll never destroy that. You're gonna destroy that. That's just mine. It's 100,000 people. That's an award. It's 500,000. This doesn't matter anymore. I worked really hard for that. You worked really hard. Yeah, I did. I worked hard. When's it ever go? Whatever happens, you fight, you argue over everything. Why? It don't mean that much. It means everything. I make art. Don't be a man. Yeah. You want a piece of this? You guys want a piece of it? You know I'll flow, but if you don't do that, I worked hard. You both worked hard. Cut it out. You act like you care. You don't understand anything, do you? No. Shit.
So, yeah guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. Also, now I'm going to be explaining the giveaway. So, I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subs. So basically, once I hit 100 subs, there will be a giveaway. I'll be sending somebody something in the mail. So I'm thinking of doing a fidget spinner giveaway. I might give a few fidget spinners out. You guys should just tell me in the comments, really, if you guys have different suggestions. I'm trying to doing like an all vote thing. So tell me in the comments below. Also, I'll be doing 3 things to get 100 subs. So basically, the first thing, obviously, a giveaway. The second thing, I'll be doing 100 shoutouts, and what that is really is it means that I'm going to be going. I'm going to be everybody that subscribes to me on YouTube is it sends me an email on my Gmail account, so I will see that you guys are subscribed. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write down or I'm gonna bookmark all your guys' names on my Gmail, and then I'm gonna be shouting you guys out, all 100 of you guys out in one separate video after I hit 100 subs. So that's how the shoutouts go. The shoutout thing goes. Now for the face reveal. And yeah, I'm not gonna get too deaf in this because this is really easy to explain. So basically, I'm going to be revealing what I really look like to the community or the YouTube community. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and subscribe because that automatically enters you in the giveaway. But I'm only doing it for my first 100 subscribers. So all my first 100 subscribers will be entered automatically. So yeah, I guess that's about it for today's video, guys. If you did, please subscribe. I'll leave it up on the screen right now. Also go follow my Twitter. It's at TrendzeeHG. I will leave that somewhere up on the video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's your boy Trendzee, and I'm out. Peace.